Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to make our professional CV. So, first you have to go on canva.com. Okay, I already opened it. From there, you can sign in or sign in with Google, or you can sign up. To make CV, you have to search here CV templates and search it. From here you can choose any template you like. Okay, these are all are free templates and very professional. uh, these two are pro template, and rest are free. So I'm going to use this template. Okay, just click on it and customize this template. Click here. I want to little zoom it. So from here you can change the picture. Do not uh, move it anywhere. Just come here and select, or you can upload your own picture using upload file. Just click on it. Okay, this is the picture. So you can just click on it, it will appear here, and you have to drag it here like this. Now your picture is automatically fit into the frame. To edit your name, just double click here and delete it and write your name here. It will maintain the font size and font style as it was first. So you can write your name here, student, and profile business. You can change the detail from here, and you can edit everything here. You can also edit this color. If you want to change this color, just click on the background and select the color which you want. Okay, from here you can change the color. If you want to add any color to the background, you can also do it. Or you can also want to anything else, so you can just go template and search here horizontal line. Click on it, it will give lots of line, so you can use it. You can drag it like this, you can adjust it like this. Okay, you can, if you want to add any icon like this, you can just click on the element on the right side and search here WhatsApp icon. So you can see lots of icon here. So I will prefer the graphic. From here you can choose any one of these. Like this, and drag it here and resize it like this, and draw the place where you want to fix it. If you want to add more text, for this you can click on the text on the left side and click add a text box, and you can write anything here like this, and Control A select all, and you can increase the font size. You can give a color by using this tab. You can give it green color. This is the text, and you can adjust it anywhere on your CV. I just delete it. If you want to add more things, you can also draw. Okay, if you want to sign there, you can use these pens like this. Okay, you can also undo it and also add any element you like to add there. You can search here school. You can just click on it, it will appear here. You can drag it here and adjust it according to your CV like this. Just perfect. After that you can download it from here, share and download. From here you can download it.